Math word problems. Multi-step word problems. Let's go. Question number 1. Samantha is saving up to buy a new bicycle for $250. She already has $50 saved. Samantha plans to save $20 per week for her allowance. How many weeks will it take Samantha to save enough money to buy the bicycle? So guys, that is $250, that is the cost of bicycle, and $50, that is the amount already saved. So if we'll subtract, then we'll get $200, that is the Samantha needs. So guys, here's the 200, that is the amount needed. So 20, that is the dollar amount saved per week. So if I'll divide that 10 weeks, that is the 10 weeks to save enough money. So we need to write here, don't forget to write here weeks. All right, so it will take. Question number 2. Rachel is training for a marathon and she sets a weekly goal of running 32 kilometers. She already ran 10 kilometers on Monday, 12 kilometers on Wednesday. How many kilometers does she need to run on Tuesday and Thursday to reach her weekly goal of 32 kilometers? So here's the 22 kilometers, that is on Monday and Wednesday, that is a 12 kilometer. If we'll add together, so 22 kilometers, that is the total distance run. So he has a weekly goal, that is a 32 kilometers. So if I'll subtract, then we will get the 10 kilometers, that is that is he needed to cover up. So if we'll divide by 2, so it will be 5 kilometers per day. So then he can. Question number 3. A group of students are conducting a plant growth experiment. They start with a small plant that is 24 centimeters tall. The plant grows by 20% in the first week. How tall is the plant after the first week? A group of students are conducting a plant growth experiment. They start with a small plant that is 24 centimeters tall. The plant grows by 20% in the first week. How tall is the plant after the first week? So we need to figure out 20% of 24. So that is 4.8 centimeter. That is the double height. So add the growth to the initial height. So if we'll add together, so it will be we need to point 0 here, so it will be 28.8 centimeter tall after the first week. Question number 4. Samantha is baking a batch of brownies to share with her friends. She needs 3 cups of sugar for the recipe. Unfortunately, she only has a 1/3 measuring cup. How many 1/3 measuring cups does she need to make 3 cups of sugar? Samantha is baking a batch of brownies to share with her friends. She needs 3 cups of sugar for the recipe. Unfortunately, she has only 1/3 measuring cup. So how many 1/3 measuring cups does she need to make 3 cups of sugar? So here we can add together, then we can find 1 whole cups, or you can multiply. So that is the 3 cups, 1/3 times 3 cups, so it will be 3 times. So Samantha needs to use the 1/3 measuring cups, that is 9 times to measure 3 cups of sugar. Samantha is baking a. Alright guys, make sure you have a pen and paper. You need to do the math and practice. That is the only way you can improve your math. And don't forget to be awesome.